one day. Why Jamaican one?
Why Jamaica do it?
Now, who are you say back over that one? Come on for record.
Which one you talking about?
The same one you just said. Why Jamaican do it?
They will be on the earth?
No. Why Jamaican fuck every...
Why Jamaican fuck every nation on earth?
Yes.
Because Jamaican is every nation on earth.
And we have to, and we was coming we come here to do what?
We come here to reproduce with the earth people them.
You hear that, Jamaica?
We come find
Jamaican
out who
have a purpose. We was here to reproduce
we come here to make Jamaica
and multiply.
We come here to make Jamaica the Israelite people them, the real Israelite people them have heard.
You hear that, Jamaicans?
Alright.
And that's to come here for.
That's why we praise his imperial majesty.
This is my elder, you know.
Because of him and the earth rightful ruler.
I'm an elder citizen of Jamaica.
So nobody can talk to it. All them a go on and all them a try and all them a do. Jamaica is the land of earth, water and lightning.
Straight fire.
Nobody can touch me.
Fire blaze.
They might come from all over the world to come take Jamaica because without Jamaica, Africa can't be free.
But yet this man want put Jamaica down.
Everybody want to do this. But you see the problem is that Jamaican people are not idiot. Kill the pussy wall and take him out of power.
No, blacks, you can't say that. Because
it's blood clot.
Blacks, you can't say that.
It means like a pussy wall.
Yeah, we know about that, but no.
You
can't say kill him, because that means you're inside riot. You can't say them things.
Then right.
I better you say you wish him dead in his sleep.
Well, you know something, I wish him dead in his sleep.
Publicly, I don't share the same view as him. Want him to meet him here, kind of, but I don't share the same view as him. I want him to die in his sleep. Personally, me.
Instead of the Jamaican people.
But this is my elder talk.
Instead of Jamaican people for 47 million to Donald Trump. And Donald Trump tell you to get all the Chinese and all the Cuban out of Jamaica. If you get all the Chinese and the Cuban out of Jamaica, you know what happened? Jamaica will deteriorate. Why didn't them say an earthquake come at Jamaica?
Tell them, elder.
The earthquake will come at Jamaica. It's not a natural earthquake, it's a man-made earthquake, you know.
All right,
it come to destroy the three bread baskets of Jamaica. St. James, tourism. St. Elizabeth, food. And where the parish we go again?
Westmoreland.
Another one there goes a punish dog.
Oh, yeah? So, Spanish Town, I wish for them find the blue opal diamond, right?
Yeah.
The $3 trillion blue opal diamond.
Yes.
So, this is the reason why them send the hurricane come here.
Because, number one, you see the Catholic country.
All right. That means I ask about it.
Them want the Catholic country, you know. Because you see backside in the Catholic country right now.
All right.
But the Catholic country is not Jamaican, you know. It's a maroon on it. Because that is a peace treaty signed with England in the 17th century. When them beat the blood clot out of the British.
So what that mean? Voila. That means Jamaica don't have nothing to do with the marine country.
No, because the Catholic country is not within Jamaican constitution. It is a different entity.
So how is it Jamaican government allowing drilling companies to come to the Catholic country?
Because the boy we are rule Jamaica right now is a fucking criminal and a thief. And if you don't get rid of him, and if you don't do what you're supposed to do to get rid of that boy, Andrew Wellness, I probably show him born and go. Come from
Cumberland Road, right?
All right?
But him feel like a uptown.
Him saying come from St. Andrew. I lie myself. Me know him. My mother used to sew for him blood clot, mama.
When you hear that?
You understand?
When you hear it first.
I remember me telling you, say, me not talk with water in the mouth. And 1950 blood clot 5 me born.
My same age as my father.
So nobody come
so this is a grown man. I tell you the facts, Jamaica.
Me know about him. Him a little boy when me left blood clot Jamaica. When me left my prime minister, me couldn't believe.
So what about the call where the whole Royal Airboat, where Abraham Traore call him and warn him about the hurricane, and him could have prevent.
Well, I know, man. I know that alone.
Tell the Jamaican people them what go on.
I know that alone. Abraham Traore call him. Abraham Traore call him one man when he signed one treaty with blood clot America
and Israel.
And call him one man in 3 o'clock in the morning and tell him to read class 3 in the document where you signed.
And what was the class 3?
Him find out same sign with Jamaica for 20 pussy clot years. That's why when Trump tells him to get rid of the blood clot Cuban, the man, the China man, out of Jamaica, You understand? He start shit 9 pounds.
Because guess what? He take the money.
Hold on, the man look for the man say, if you not do what me tell you, if you don't know, me I take by my $47 million when me give.
Not only that, he will go to prison for taking the $12 million from Usain Bolt.
Oh, yeah.
That's why he have to play ball with America.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you know about that too?
Yes. Let the people know what going on because Jamaica don't know what
going on. But you realize that Usain Bolt got team and take some more money.
But you notice that Usain Bolt like getting money and him can't say nothing. And him can't say nothing.
And let me tell you something. You see Usain Bolt right now? And the CIA have man a blood clot. So yes,
me know that.
Until Shelly said to watch herself.
All right. Jamaica don't know what going on, but we live in America. Yeah, we know what going on.
Tell Shelly to watch, and you see Alien Thompson too. And make sure you take care of them two little twins. You see Tina and Tia. You better protect them with their life.
Don't make them get caught
because
up.
Because one thing me tell you, see them two little girls.
How would that?
Them born for a reason, you know. You understand me? And at them, because right now America, I do everything. You see the guy when you Shakira Richardson, I dopey.
Oh shit.
I remember me telling you said that girl that ever win the 100 meter at the Olympics will come. America now go stop lad it over because Shelley retire. But I want to tell you, sir, pray for Alien Thompson.
No man, right now I pray, we are praying for the nation.
Yeah, me say, pray for Alien Thompson because you're the only one. And the other one name, the one who win the 200 meter, what's your name again, man? No, Alien.
Shelly, man.
No, man, no Shelly, man. I try them, man. Who 1, 2, and 3?
Jackson.
Sharika.
Sharika.
Pray for Sharika. Because Sharika, I got to take up a line. Sharika, no, you understand something? Nobody can be Sharika and Jump Nobody.
Yeah, but she have to practice though. She have to practice.
She have to practice.
Yeah, man. Practice make perfect, man.
She have to practice.
Yo, Jamaica.
She have to train.
I'm an elder this, you know. I just want to hear what go on. You see me?
She have to practice.
Global Watch Media. Tell a friend, we again. Boom, 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 boom.